not enough for me. Because I learn different language, but English. But maybe that people that understand me. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alien? Nangangaling na ako.
Hindi pa tapos. Aray ko. Ay. Napamawisan ako eh. Ano pa daw?
Very,
Yeah, very hot here.
very
Huh?
hot.
Can you please turn on your
My
air
body is
condition?
sweating.
Sweating. Pagbigyan naman na rin English spoken yung dollar natin, visitor.
Yes.
Yeah.
No. Shame on me. Ano ba yung shame?
Nakakaya naman sa akin.
Mag-versus lang tayo. Nokia 3210. Okaninay. What? What do you mean? Okaninay? That's a Japanese word. I don't have money. No. All people, we have money. You know, don't tell you don't have money. All people, we have money. But in a bank, not your pocket.
In the back. Not in your pocket. Oh, di mo kinaya.
Yes. Where your what?
Wow. Naglagay. Buffering. Buffering.
Sorry, my internet. Internet mind. Ate Nairobi, where you from? Please speak English because you know
I don't understand.
I'm not understand little. I'm learn a little concis lang. Tuto ko naman. Don't laughing to me. Ayaw, Japan. Okay. Okay, nice. Too much lapad there. Nice. Lapad, yes, lapad. Before my tita is working there, my tita is working entertainer, you know. Before the lips is coming like that.
Coming in.
Coming big.
Coming big.
Don't. Maybe you are crying after this. You know?
Aray ko.
Uy, yung daming pera. Oh.
Bili ka na.
Got it. Got it.
Got it.
Thank you for the, ano yan?
English dapat.
Thank you for the pizza, for the food. Pizza ba yan? What's this?
Kabayong buntis.
What this? You are now, you favorite me, ha? I favorite you back. Okay, thank you. Where are you from? What's the name of... Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? I'm joking.
I'm so sorry. I don't want
Crazy.
to...
It's crazy. Uy, okay.
Aray ko.
Don't noisy louder. Because we have
Neighbors.
neighbors sleeping well.
Aray ko.
Personal mind is not enough.
Ay, ligaya ko.
Tawa ka.
Ano daw?
Taba ng ulo. No. My head is big. My mind is small. That's why it's not enough. Maybe my mind is. What's the mean? Taba. What's it? Taba. You know what's the words taba? No, maybe some.
This comedian was talking about it. He was saying that how the Mexicans and the Filipinos are a lot alike because they share the same word.
Ah.
they have the same word, but they have different meanings. And
Puto.
the Filipino coworker went to the Mexican coworker, says, "Hey, puto," and then he showed the plate, and he thought he was calling him a bitch.
Yeah, yes, we have two words like the puto is for eat food dessert. The puta
Food,
is
right?
puta bad word. That's why
Well, okay.
Sam-
So you have two different types of
yes,
putas. Putas, puto. Okay.
puta
I got it.
puta puto, yes, like that. But sir, the other Filipino, and then the other like you American, the bad Filipino, he teach American bad word like puta, like that.
Oh wow. So yeah, I usually try to learn the bad words first, just because it's easier.
Yes.
Then once I know the bad words, then I could just try to learn everything else.
Oh yes, sir. My head is my mind is bleeding.
Oh, your mind is bleeding. Oh,
Yes,
sorry.
because sir, I'm not graduating. That's why my English is little. Yes.
Oh, your English. Oh.
Yeah, my English is not good. Sorry, sir, for my words. My
No.
English not
No,
good.
you're fine. You are perfectly fine.
Thank you, sir.
Perfectly good.
Thank. Kong kong. Batchoy. Lapas batchoy. Lapas batchoy. Tong tong. Ha? Ha?
May kausap ka. Ano bang
Meow meow.
Mia mia.
Meow meow.
Mia mia.
May katama.
Ha?
May
Mia
katama.
mia. Ingay mo naman.
Yung ikaw na lang.
What?
You eat.
What the eat?
Meow meow.
Mia mia.
Meow meow.
Mia mia eat.
Meow meow.
Mia mia eat.
You eat meow meow.
Mia mia. Divina, meow meow. Go away.
You eat meow meow.
Me eat meow meow. No.
Meow meow.
Mia mia.
Meow meow. Meow meow.
Meow meow. Meow meow. Meow meow.
Meow.
Meow meow.
Meow meow.
Ito eat meow meow.
First pa.
Eat meow meow.
Damn, that's a lot of cat food.
Yeah, meow meow. Eat meow meow.
Meow meow eats meow meow.
Eat.
Meow meow eats meow meow.
Eat meow meow. Eat meow meow.
Eat it. Eat.
No,
Eat it.
no, I'm me,
Eat it.
meow meow, me, no meow meow.
Just one.
Me not meow meow. You meow meow.
Kumunik dun sa ano.
No, no.
Hindi. Pinag-ano ng airpod.
Ha?
Ay, ano yung
Eat
airpod?
one.
What?
Eat one.
No, you eat one?
You eat one.
No, I'm not meow meow.
It's human food. Meow meow. Good
No.
food.
I have eat me eat
Mamaw.
me eat this. You meow meow eat.
You eat it with that.
Huh? What?
You eat it with that. Stick it in the bread.
No, this
Stick it in
bread.
the bread.
This not bread, cake.
It's a what?
Yes. Where your meow meow?
It's a dick.
Huh?
It's a dick.
You bad, you bad. Don't tell bad, you bad.
Meow meow.
You meow meow die. You bad. Huh? Don't talk bad. Meow meow. Meow meow. Tawa ng tawa. Ingay mo naman. Ayoko na nga.